Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Be strong. Go with your heart and believe in miracles, because anything can and will happen. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. The Dow finished down 127, the Nasdaq off 48, S&P's down 14, gold contract up $7.60, trading at $1,093 an ounce. Silver up 2 cents at $14.51 an ounce. Platinum down 4.80 at $9.84 an ounce. Copper down 3 pennies at $2.35 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.07, $47.07 a barrel. Looks like oil, folks, the last low in oil was 42. It looks like it's going to 35. It's going to be pretty intense. Bond market, 10-year up 16 ticks, 127.07. Had conviction on Friday, conviction today. Bottom line, bonds want higher price, lower yield. We're at 2.2 in the 10 right now. 30-year up 27 ticks, 155.14. Same setup there. King dollar down 691 ticks, 96.65. King dollar wants to run into its last swing low about the 93.50 area. Had volume on the way down out here. That will give the metals a shot to go to higher price. Euro down, up rather, 106 at 110.90. No doubt it's counterintuitive, but the dollar going down, the euro going up, and Europe's a mess. Yen down 52 at 123.29. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have out here? Okay, so you SPY out here. Let's see, symbol right there. Bingo. Whoops. So your SPY is trading, it's trading out here at a price point of 206.74. And what we have out here is that we did volume out here today. You're coming into your lower swing point. We had an expansion of volume once again, 123 million shares. You're already into the bar. The bars that we're talking about, we're into the last bars that were down here at your July 7th swing low. The high of that was 208.17. The low was 204.11. That's saying, guess what? We're going to 204.11. What you also have today is you get a doji on the way down, and many times that marks the halfway move down. Now, what's going to be intriguing is this. If, in fact, that's the halfway move down, the top of that is 212. We're at 206. You're talking basically 200. That would be breaking the consolidation that we've been in inside the SPY since the 6th of February. If we go look at the Dow Industrials did break that consolidation out here today. Dow Industrials, they came down to a price point. Whoops, close this baby. Dow Industrials today came down $1.27. The last swing low out here was 465. We're at 440. Bottom line broke it. That's saying the Dow's going into the 17,037 level. Small caps. What do we do with the small caps? Same setup in the small caps. Small caps also broke the last swing point out here. Last swing on the small caps was 121.28. We took that down today. We're at 120.56. That sets up that you're going to go after the low that was established on the 5th of May, which is the 120.28. That's short term. Larger term, folks, all these equities and these indices want to go to the October swing point. That October swing point we're talking about and have been talking about for quite a while is the October 2014 swing. The high of that in the small caps is 109. The low is 103. And I do want to thank all the other talk hosts doing the show last Friday when we were off. And if we take a look at this, and if you want to see how fast you can get that lower swing point, all you have to do is go look at Biogen. Biogen was down 20% in one day, and you know where it went, folks? That's exactly where it went to. It went to the October swing point. The mind blower, of course, is that it did it in one day. Biogen had that high volume swing low in October, and guess what? It goes right into it. It's like insane, actually. The low of the high volume swing low. So picture this: Biogen went from 412 to 299. The October swing low of 2014 was 290.85. The high of that was 331. Now, the way Biogen's set up, man, Biogen's going a lot lower. Next step down from Biogen, well, we'll see whether it holds the 272 area. You don't hold 272 in Biogen. That's going to like $120, which is just insane because, of course, Biogen was up there in the 400 or 500 area. So big numbers. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Last Sunday night, they brought gold down to $12.80. Friday, they get it to $12.75. It rejects lower price, had lighter volume by 20,000 contracts, which isn't bad. Today you get a sideways move. Gold looks comfortable at about 11.04, folks. Now, we got to 11.04 3 separate times in the last 4 or 5 days. You have to break that level. That's what it comes down to. But we have juice up at that level. So when you have juice up at that level, your probability goes higher, number one, that you're going to go after it. If we break that level, then what you're going to have is you're going to have some action. The reason being is that we went down to 1075. You break the 1104, and we've been building cars here. That would set up about 1135 to 1140, and if that's what you get, what you're going to see then, GC1, you're going to see the lineup then that it will actually just about break the downtrend, not from the highs, but it would break the downtrend that had been established from the 1203 area. The reason being is that this baby, well, cancel that one. What you're going to see is that the way that this had come down, if we get that wide price spread, you're going to see as you get up into that that area. Yeah, it's 1135. It's 1135. You get it to that 1135, and then that's the wide price spread, accelerated volume. Then you can get some traction in that movement. Last night in Asia, it was a mess. The Shanghai, with only half of the stocks open, was down 8.4%. Now our markets weren't even off that dramatically compared to the rest of the world. This morning, you had the FTSE down 1.1%. The CAC in France was down 2.5. The DAX in Germany was down 2.5. Spain was off 2.9. They came down with volume, and they're going to be going lower tomorrow. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I know what's going on in your world. The world of the markets, folks. We had the Dow down at $127. NASDAQ off 48. S&P's down 13. We're going to be right back.